see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be getting into an unboxing for you guys. I actually have so many items on the way or here that I could probably do like 2 to 3 unboxings for you guys. I am going to do this pickup haul, I guess, like quarantine pickups. I have a lot of Supreme, mainly just a lot of Supreme. Then I do have a couple brands who sent me some fire ass stuff that I want to show you guys. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click on post notification bells if you want to be notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So honestly, I'm gonna start in no particular order. I'm gonna just grab this box right here, and I kind of know what it is as soon as I grab it. Inside of here we do have Oreos. I believe this is from Mr. Nightmare. Shout out to Mr. Nightmare for hooking me up with these Oreos right here for an amazing price. Honestly, I haven't showed you guys these in a minute, and I will try my best to do a dope ass video with these as soon as possible. I honestly have had these in the boxes for a minute, and I have been meaning to show you guys, but these are the Oreos that came out for Supreme this season. I am not going to open these as of yet. One of these is actually going to be in the giveaway, which should start by next week. I'm going to get everything finalized literally ASAP to get this started. It's long overdue by now. I love the packaging actually. 3 packets of Oreos is the first pickup we got in this video. Once again, shout out to Mr. Nightmare for those. The second package is actually more Oreos. Shout out to Francisco for these Oreos right here. He actually hooked it up as well. We got 3 more Oreos that came in that second package, and these are also gonna be either for the video that I'm gonna do with the Oreos, or it's gonna be used for the giveaway. Major shout out to the bro again. So we do have 6 packets of Oreos. Next up, we're gonna show you guys this package right here, which is actually a Supreme package. We do have 2 stickers in it, just the 2 OG stickers, and then we have this splattered paint logo beanie. I'm gonna try to open it for you guys. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping this one. Actually, this is pretty cool, bro. It's like a washed out black color that it has. I think this is pretty fire. I actually really love the colors on here. The back is probably my favorite part. There's like yellows, pinks, oranges in here. The black is not like an actual black, it's like a washed out. Definitely a clean piece in my opinion. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it as of yet. Next up, we got a package from the homies out at Worldwide Youth. They actually decided to send me some fire ass pieces, and I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you right now. I have some stickers in here, which I actually love when they do stickers. They sent me like this Walt Disney World sticker right here that pretty much says Worldwide Youth on it. I believe this sticker's fire. You have this sticker, which is like a Mickey Mouse sticker. It's like a medieval times looking ass Mickey. And we also have one more sticker as well, which is this Rugrats sticker. Once again, Worldwide Youth, and they're actually fried. We got these 2 pieces right here, one of them being this Rugrats tee. This is actually fire, bro. This is actually really clean. It says Worldwide Youth right here on the top. Then they're actually wearing Worldwide Youth pants. Oh, he got the bib. It's like playful, but it's not at the same time. It's a great spin-off. It low-key reminds me of Chinatown Market, and when they like do these type of tees from like old shows and shit like that. This is definitely a fire piece. I can't wait to wear this. Last up from Worldwide Youth, we have this piece right here, which is another tee. I honestly don't know what shirt this is, but I'm gonna see it right now. I honestly don't know. This is like a little evil Cupid dude, like pitchfork in the Worldwide Youth globe logo right there. I feel like this one's actually pretty clean. It's more on the simple side of things. You can definitely freak this in the summer, just an airy tee. Got that logo off centered on the chest right there. Definitely clean. Major shout out to Worldwide Youth for hooking it up with these pieces. Definitely looking forward to working with you guys in the future. Keep grinding and doing your thing, because you guys are out there killing it. I'm not gonna lie. Next up, we actually have this right here. Shout out to Connor Hart for hooking it up with the Bling Box logo sticker. I actually was looking to buy this sticker because I love collecting the stickers that come out each season, and he actually gave it to me for an amazing price. So shout out to Connor Hart for hooking it up with this. He actually wrote me a little letter, but I don't think I should read that to the public. I just want to say that I thank you, homie, for supporting the channel all the time. It just means the world to me that you come through, show love. You actually DM me and we talk frequently, which is actually pretty cool to me. But shout out to you, homie. Keep killing it and keep doing your thing, for real. Make sure you stay safe out there as well, you and the family. Next up, we got this package right here, which is another Supreme package. This one comes with 3 box logo stickers, which they don't normally do, but we did get 3 in this one. And in this package, we got the Motion logo beanie. I don't think you guys saw me cop this, but I believe this is from a slot that I had with Marco. I forgot where I got this from, to be honest, but this was a little while ago at this point. This beanie is fire. I honestly wish that I would have got the sweater, but it is what it is. This beanie is equivalently fire. This shit is hard, bro, and I didn't even realize that the whole thing was sewn in. I thought only this part was sewn in, then the rest was printed. The whole beanie is actually sewn in there. I'm so glad that I got the black colorway because I feel like I would wear this one more. Definitely a huge fan of this beanie right here. It has nothing on the back. It would have been cool if it had the box logo there, but honestly, all you need is this in the front to give you that flair of Supreme. You can actually see the branding pretty good on there. Definitely a fire piece. I might do a legit check on this because I feel like these will get faked hands down. I might be doing that. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. There's honestly not much to talk about, so it would be a shorter video, but I feel like that might be necessary. So we're almost getting to the end of this video, but I do want to go ahead and say shout out to Gothic for sending me this jewelry right here. It's so fire, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of these pieces. I should have a promo code for you guys to go ahead and check out if you are interested, but I feel like they have rustic. It's hard to explain, but they have some fire ass pieces on their website. We got this ring right here, which is pretty clean. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. It's like old English font all around it. Clean piece. I feel like I got my wrong size, but it's okay. Definitely a fire piece nonetheless. It's just a little bit tight on my finger. I'm not gonna lie on that one, but that is a fire piece nonetheless. And here we do have another piece as well. They all do come in these boxes separately, which is pretty cool. We do have this, which is probably my favorite piece. I'm not gonna lie. There's this bracelet right here. This is definitely fire, bro. I love the fact that it has like hints of gold, then it has hints of silver as well. This is probably one that I would wear on a daily basis. Their prices are actually really affordable, so I would recommend you guys to check them out. But Gothic Jewelry is the place to be. I love their prices. They're really affordable and they actually look really good, bro. They have high quality and each of these pieces have little things on it. The attention to detail is crazy when it comes to this brand. They actually do send you the little pouches so you could put the jewelry and it doesn't get dusty. One of my favorite pieces that I got, I feel like I've been saying that every time, is this right here. The reason I say that is because it actually has a magnet that pulls down the thing. As you guys can see, it has like a little magnet that just pulls it into lock, and I feel like they don't do that mechanism for a lot of pieces, but I just think it's so cool that you have a magnet that clasps your bracelet. I don't know, I just think that's really awesome to me. But we do have this necklace right here. It's like an intertwined, like I don't know how to explain what it is really, but it's just so cool. I am gonna link them at the top of the description if you guys are interested. They do have some fire pieces to offer for a great price, to be honest. Major shout out to Gothic Jewelry for sending out some of these pieces. I should have a promo code that you guys would be able to see at the top of the description of this video. If you are interested in copying any of these pieces, make sure you go ahead and check them out because they are fire, bro. But now we're gonna talk about the last pickup that I have for you guys today, and it is this Big Mama Supreme package, and then we'll get straight up out the building. In this bag we have 2 pieces, one of them being this hoodie that I ordered like a month and some change ago. This shit took mad long to get here, bro. So in this package I did have the Restless hoodie, which comes in this cream colorway with the little blue lettering right here up top. I feel like this one is actually pretty hard. I'm a big fan of this piece. It has that Supreme blue on the front right there. Then on the back we have all this font which basically says the youth is getting restless in a bunch of different languages. I just like the fact that it has like lettering on the back in that blue, and on the front it just has the subtle Supreme, and it's like this cream color, but it definitely does feel a little bit smoother than the other hoodies that I have. This is probably gonna be one of my most worn hoodies, but it is the Restless hoodie in the cream colorway. I got 2 more things to show you, one of them being this sticker pack, which they actually sent me in the Restless hoodie, which actually released like a couple weeks before the stickers even were out. But we got this little dino sticker right here, super clean, probably one of the most playful ones that I've seen in a minute. Then we got this sticker right here, which should be a hint at what unboxing video is next. We got this sticker, then we got a regular box logo, and the last piece that I picked up from this Supreme week was this hat. It's like an olive colorway, and I definitely am a fan of this one. It's the Chino Twill Camp Cap in this olive color. Definitely clean. I just don't know why they bend their brims like that. Shit is flat as fuck. We got the Supreme and like this washed out olive olive color. Definitely clean. This one once again comes from the store, as you can see right here. I love the fact that the strap is like this leather. It's so cool to me, but this is more so how I would wear it. I would curve the brim because they are wildin' with how they had it. We got the Supreme on the strap, little leather buckle on it. Definitely fire to me. I love this washed out color that it has. Definitely a fire piece, and I feel like this unboxing video is pretty much wrapped. If you guys did enjoy this one, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know down below if you did enjoy. What was your favorite piece that I picked up today? Shout out to Gothic for showing love. Shout out to Worldwide Youth for showing love. Definitely go ahead and check them out because this wouldn't be possible without them. Shout out to Connor Hart for sending me out that sticker. Shout out to Mr. Nightmare for hooking up the Oreos. This is basically like a shout out video, low key, but shout out to all of you guys for always showing love. Leave a like, subscribe, click them post notification bells. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.